Okay, this is a video of our inside of our trailer, showing the roof first. I see a very, very little hole right there. Okay, that could be patched outside. We could put maybe some putty or something outside. No dent or nothing. I'm not seeing here. Looks like I don't see light, but we could maybe reinforce that. But I don't see no light there. I'm gonna look at the right side. I'm not seeing nothing easily. So, I mean, there's nothing sticking out. There is right here on the ground, right here on the ground here. We could put something on the bottom. It's very small. It just looks big here. It's on the floor. Right, where is it? Guys, I can't even find it. Oh, right here. Very, very small. Very small. It looks big here, but it's not. It's very small. It's like 1/4 of an inch. We could put something there. So this is on the floor. Right there where the metal floor is. Okay. We could put something from underneath to stop the light from coming in. It's making it worse, but it's just this spot. That's what's causing all that reflection. If you see the tip of my shoe going, see? So that's what it is right there. So that's what I see. I mean, you have to be very picky. So I could take care of this, and I guess there's light coming from the front here. Is it coming from the front there? I can't tell it yet. I think it is. Or is that something? No. A little light coming from, that's the back of the front of the trailer. But that's about it. Very, very small stuff. I didn't know about it, or I would have maybe taken care of it.